Registering for classes can be stressful. You will need to prepare in advance. I always make a layout of the classes I need to take so I am ready for when the time comes to register. In this video, I will show you the best way to prepare to register for classes using STAR. Many students tend to only use Schedule Builder. While Schedule Builder can be used to view classes on a calendar, this system has some errors. My advisor, Julia Broski, who provided the information for this video, has witnessed students signing up for classes they cannot actually take. This is due to Schedule Builder offering all classes to any student. Even though students put in restrictions and read the class descriptions, some students still accidentally sign up for the wrong classes. To prevent this, use STAR to find your courses and to register. Schedule Builder can still be used, but only after you have made sure the classes you input into Schedule Builder are ones you can actually take. First, log into WVU portal. You will find the STAR button. Select it. You can also just log into STAR itself and skip the WVU portal. Second, go to Student Services and Housing. Third, select Registration. Fourth, click Access Registration Tools. Finally, select Browse Classes. Now you are ready to set up the semester you would like to register classes for. In the terms open for registration, select the semester you want. In my case, I will be selecting summer of 2022. You should have a list of classes you need to take from your advisor. If you do not have that, meet with your advisor as soon as you can. Click Continue to proceed. Now it is time to find classes that fit your schedule. This may seem daunting, but it is very simple. You will want to check the Open Sections Only box and select WVU Campus Courses in the Campus box. Type in the subject and course number. If you are trying to find a GEF, select a subject under the Attributes tab. Select Search and all the classes that fit your description will appear. Click on any class you want and then click the Restrictions tab. Make sure your major or minor is listed, or that no majors or minors are listed. If you are not in the Honors College, avoid class sections with the letter. Find the class section you like best and write down the CRN number. Take note of any class descriptions you find helpful if you would like to view your potential schedule on Schedule Builder. Once you have the CRN numbers for all the classes you will be taking, it is time to wait for the registration day. Yay! The day has finally come. It is 8 a.m. and you are sitting at your computer to register. Now, follow the instructions I said earlier in the video, but instead of selecting Browse Classes, click on Add or Drop Classes. Select the semester you will be registering for again. It may already be put in for you. Select Continue. On the left-hand side of the screen, there will be a tab labeled Enter CRNs. Click it. This will allow you to put in all the CRNs of the classes you wrote down earlier. There will be a gray Add to Summary button right below where you entered the CRNs. Select it. In the bottom right-hand corner, a box will have all of the classes you put in grayed out. Click Submit and you will be registered for all of your classes. If you need to remove a class, change the status to remove and click submit. If any of your classes do not let you register, contact your advisor as soon as possible. You may just need to select waitlist. You did it! You are now prepared to take on a successful semester. Good luck in all of your classes.